Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor, which could be the biggest day ever on our show so far in nearly 4 years. About 3 years and 8 months, I think it is now, 3 years and 8 months, something like that, since we started the show. But today is a huge day. You can see I'm already up $1,500. Santa Rally absolutely delivered on the last day, and now we're up big time so far. Year to date, what have we done so far this year? Look at that. In just 3 trading days, we've done $3,385.93, up 3.42 without having to short anything, without having to do any options, without having to sell anything. I've got no fears here. I don't need to sell down. Just by buying on the macro dips when things were oversold. There it is, right there in front of you. What a huge start to the year. But today is all about this. It's NVIDIA and SoundHound Day today. This is the event that it's all focused on. Why everything's up so much? Because of this. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. Indeed, I've played there myself. I've been to Vegas. I've got my own Vegas show. I'm very familiar with this town. And we have got CES tonight. We're going to be there live. We're going to cover it all live. Jensen Huang is giving the keynote speech, opening up the event. It's not just a big night for NVIDIA. It's a big night for the market, a big night for SoundHound, a few of the other stocks that we're covering as well. So the link for that event is in the chat. It's pinned to the top. Expect explosive action today. My word will be, do not chase it. Sorry to sound boring, but investors are already in. Now the chasers are tuning in, pumping up our stocks. We are not buying anymore. In fact, I won't be buying now for pretty much the rest of the year. I'll explain that in an upcoming video in a minute, which I'm going to make. But there you go. I'm going to give you the link for it now. This is the event. This is happening tonight. It's going to be, I'm expecting 100,000 actually for this event. There it is. I'll post it 3 times. It's also pinned to the top. Now then, throughout the day, to give you a head start, we are running on the extra channel. We are doing the playlist specifically for CES 2025. So we've got 2 charts there, one from Sensei for NVIDIA, one for SoundHound, and all the information that you need for tonight. That's running right now. If you listen to this now, you can see me live there, but in the background, this is we have an audience in 69 countries. There you go. We are playing the 2025 CES playlist. This will give you a head start tonight. You'll know the buy zone, sell zone, support levels, and all the rest of it. Let me give you this for extra. You might want to be listening. If you've not heard all those videos that are being played in extra, you need to go and hear those now, live now. There you go. All right, so that's running. There are 4 videos in that playlist. So over about 2 hours, you will go through all of those, all that content, so you are prepared for tonight. All right, now I'm going to welcome everybody in, and once everybody's in, I'm then going to make several videos about today's event and what we can expect. All right, what we can expect. Okay, so let's have a little look. Who's here first? We got Mike here. Good morning, Mike and Jenny and George. Lovely, Mike. Thank you, mate, for coming in. Stephen Lewandowski is here. Good morning to you. It's the final countdown. It is indeed the final countdown. We will go members only in a few moments if we get busy. We're bound to be busy today. So we will go members only in a minute. Jenny, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you. We've got another Jenny here. We've got 2 Jennys now. 13% of our viewers are ladies, the highest of any crypto channel. I know we're not really a crypto channel, but we do cover XRP and all that stuff as well. But we have the highest in the world. Most is about 1%. If you go and check that out, you'll find yourself. Patrick Black, good morning to you. Ivan Silver, good morning to you. Good morning, Mike. Welcome, everybody. Henrik from Denmark, welcome to you. Henrik. Bootlegger, good morning. Neverland, good morning, Bootlegger. After this morning's show, I'm going up to the post office to drop off your ledger. Your ledger will be in the post today, so stand by to receive that. Hi, Stacey. Mike, how is Lisa? Yes, indeed, we're all asking. Jenny B is here, the other Jenny, spelt with a G. Good morning to you, Jenny. And good morning, everyone. Eugene McCombs. Welcome. All right. Another amazing morning, another all-time high. Look at this. Another all-time high today, 327,000. Expecting my portfolio to fly to 150,000 in the next couple of weeks at the very most. All right, expecting to see 150,000. I predicted it for the end of the year. I mean, you can't exactly get it to the day, but we're only the 6th of January, and we've already broken the all-time high. And I wouldn't be surprised if we end up at 150,000 within a week or two. That's it. It's not going to take very long at all. Okay. Now then, let's see how many people we've got watching at the moment. If you just tuned in, tap the like button and consider subscribing. That would be absolutely fantastic. All right. Let's see if we can get 100 likes in the first couple of minutes, shall we? All right, let's do it. Let's put the like up. Let's go over and let's see how many we got in the show right now. We've got 74 watching. It's a slow start to the morning. People are a little bit tired and asleep. I don't know what's going on. Monday morning, get out of bed. What's going on? 69 watching. Let's see how many likes we got now. We've got 21. Smash the like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get the word out. It's going to be a huge day today. 27 likes. We're up to 27. All right. We have 76 watching. So the most really we can get is about 40 because 50% of you are not signed into Google for some bizarre reason. 27 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've now got a grand total of 34. We'll do it one more time, see if we can push to 40, which is as many as we could possibly get. 79 watching now, so 50% will be 40. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And we got 39. There you go. Look at that. Spot on. Congratulations. Thank you ever so much, everyone who did that. All right. There you go. Spend all day looking at numbers, so I'm pretty accurate when it comes to predicting how many people watch the show and the likes and so on. Live on numbers here on the show. Now then, I'm going to record a few videos now. So let me get to work right now. Okay, so I'm going to make a few videos here this morning. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to members only mode because it's a huge day. There's going to be a lot to do today. It's going to be one of our biggest ever days on the show, and for all of you who are investors, and I mean investors, not gamblers, and I'm going to explain all that now, what we're going to expect. I'm going to show you all the news and everything. So you ready? Okay, let's do it. So, okay, we'll start off with 6 months. Right. Okay, so here we go. Do not buy. That's some sort of message to give on a video, right? Do not buy. 6 months to go. Absolutely. And remember, everything I say is what I'm actually doing with my own money. I'm not doing this to sell videos. I'm doing this to provide the best information to my members of what I'm actually doing with my money. And as you can see, I've just reached another all-time high. I've now got just over $250,000 invested. If you look at my cash, my margin, all of my positions, just over $250,000. I've never shorted the stock. I've never done options.
Jace Flame has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed. And we've broken another all-time high today. So why am I saying do not buy 6 months to go? Well, I'll explain. As real investors, and I mean real investors, not gamblers, what we're looking for is oversold assets that can multiply in the future. After all, isn't that what a real investor is? They find the best field to plant the best seeds, to nurture those seeds, water, fertilize, give it time, and then reap the benefits in the future. That's what an investor does. That's what I do. That's what Warren Buffett does. Very, very important. So we were right. The Santa rally did happen on the last day. Took a lot of flack for that, saying, where's the Santa rally? It appeared on the last day. And then we started the year booming, as you can see. My year to date, just in the S&P alone, is up 3.48. $3,500. Why so much? Because I'm all in on margin, $250,000. Now, the reason why I'm up so much is not because I'm the greatest investor in the world, not at all. But I do read balance sheets, I do read earnings reports, I do cover the FOMC reports, and I do recognize when the market is oversold and people are talking nonsense in Reddit rooms and stock twits and all the rest of it. I gain a lot of information not only from the investors, but from the gamblers, the scalpers. Well, not the scalpers so much, but the ones that are manipulating or lying or making up stories, spreading false information. They provide me with great information because they tell me what the sentiment is of what that kind of person is doing. And the market got oversold. The Santa rally was disappointing. What did I do? I went all in on margin. Just the same way as Warren Buffett did when he went all in and bought Coca-Cola, which he still owns, by the way. So do I. And I'm all in on Coca-Cola on my Roth IRA. So during December, when the markets were pretty flat, when they weren't doing too much, I was buying heavily because I'm investing for the future. We've had 2 great years, 20% blow-off years. We've got 6 months left. That's it. That's when the bear market will begin once again. Now, that doesn't mean to say everything will sell off. I'll explain to you where I see it going and my strategy leading up to it. But as an investor, we have to look forward, not where we are today, not want the market to be something it isn't, and certainly not, look backwards. So what we're doing is we're identifying great businesses, great indexes, and buying when it's oversold. There were many opportunities to buy this bull market. One famously was the carry trade. When we had the carry trade overnight, I was up late in the evening buying lots of shares of the S&P. Then we had another incident when Donald Trump said that America would cease to exist within 48 hours once Iran started firing on Israel. Neither of these things brought the world to an end. We knew that. It was just lots of noise as we get from people. So these were opportunities. There were also opportunities after the earnings for NVIDIA, which disappointed many. Didn't disappoint me. I believe in the business. So I bought more during December when it went down through, of course, the S&P, which for me is the best way to buy these individual stocks. So all I've been doing is buying when the market has been oversold, identifying all the time the strength of the economy, where the future is going, and just doubling down. Because I do not want to be in and be buying this market 6 months from now. Now, I'll rephrase that. I don't mean to sell out. I will not be selling a single share. I will be holding all my positions. I will not be selling a single share. I don't need to. And this is my strategy for the rest of the year. As I've always said ahead of time, I predicted when the rates would cut. I predicted when the bull market started 6 months ahead of the Bank of America. I've been consistently right on these positions. I've had 19 trades since last year and 19 wins, never lost, and I don't lose ever. And I've got no intention of losing on my 19th trade, which is Coca-Cola in my Roth IRA at the moment. So what are we doing? Well, we bought our last share. What does that mean? Is the market likely to continue going upwards? Yes, it is. I expect the rest of this year to by the time we get to about June, July, maybe another 15%. Maybe. More likely only 10. More likely only 10. Then what will happen then? Well, once we get the 10 to 15, maybe 10, more likely 10, we will then get a pullback. We'll get a bit of a correction and a sell-off. I don't think we're going to be necessarily in a bad market. A bear market, yes, but that doesn't mean to say everything's going to crash and come tumbling down. The businesses that I'm owning, and I own the businesses, not the shares, are strong, are solid. I don't need to sell them as long as I'm not buying them now. I always like to have a buffer. I always like to have a 10, 20% ahead of the price of my stocks. I don't want to be buying at 20% thinking that's it, there's no more room to grow. What is the sense of that? I want to be buying before everybody else decides to buy and let everybody else pump up my stock. And let me explain what I mean by that. Because I've been buying through December, in fact, I've been buying for a whole year now, the stocks I bought in January are up some 35-40% on the macro dips, okay? The stocks I bought a few days ago, not back in December, just a few days ago, are not up quite so much. They're up a little bit now, but not up that much. So I don't want to have my stocks knowing there's not much more room to grow, at least for the next year or so. And that's what we're talking about now. So I've already bought my positions. Now what I'm doing is just paying off the margin with my income every month. That's my job, just like you have a job. I'll be bringing in money, reducing my margin. Now then, if I buy here, right, as I did. In January, I bought here. Throughout the year, I kept buying up because I knew there was a long way to go. In December, I bought here, knowing there's still another 15%, maybe 10% to go. That's it. That's when I stop. Because what happens now is you're now coming in. The market, people are now buying today, as you can see, up another 1.64. People are buying now. They're buying. And what they're doing, they're providing new levels of support, insurance, security, triple lock for my position down here. Because as they buy up here, they don't want to sell until it goes up here, right? No point buying here and selling here. But I'm here. So all you're doing is giving me your money without me doing anything at all. I own down here. I'm not buying anymore. I'm reducing margin. So as this stock now keeps rising and rising and rising, I've got a buffer built in. So then when the bear market does come at the end of the year, in the autumn time, and people start trimming off a little bit, and then people will be losing because they've been buying on the way up and suddenly they're losing money, I don't care. It doesn't bother me. It will trim back to where we are, maybe slightly above where we are today. And that's absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. And when it starts trimming down again, I will start to buy once again. I'm always going to be ahead of the cycle. I have finished buying, even though everybody else now is joining in the party. I'm done. I want them to pump up my positions so I can just sit and relax and don't care if it drops. That is what smart money does. And my millionaire and 1 billionaire friend, that's what they do. They've already made their moves. Like Warren Buffett sold his Apple recently, and he's held his Coca-Cola. He's already 6 months, 12 months, maybe 18 months ahead of everybody else. And that's what I try to do. It requires discipline. It can be a bit boring sometimes, but I like being boring. I like making money consistently and not losing. So that's what I'm doing. So my prediction is, and we called it right with the bull market, we called it right with the rate cuts, we will get 2 rate cuts this year, maybe a 3rd or 4th actually, and the market will rally. People will buy the market. They will buy my shares. I won't be selling them, but they'll be buying others who are selling their shares to them. That's how the market works. You can't buy unless somebody's selling. Somebody will be selling and the price will go up. And my portfolio will have a nice buffer on it for when we get to the autumn, then it can trim back a little bit. My margin would have had 8 months of reduction. I can start buying more again once we start pulling back once again. This is my path to $1 million. So the title of this video and the thumbnail was 6 months to go, do not buy. No one's going to pay any attention to that. They're all going to carry on buying. Clearly, the market is going up, but real investors, I think, will have stopped by now because they've already bought the market. We've invested. Our seeds are in the ground. They're already producing shoots, and in 6 months from now, I'll have some nice trees in my field, and things can have a bit of a wavery winter, and some of the leaves can fall, but that's okay because the tree will grow stronger the following year, as long as I'm not buying into it. So I wish everybody the best, but we've got a big announcement to make. If you watch to the end of this video, you will know there's a big event happening tonight and you can't afford to miss it. We've got two ways to show you this. First of all, why the market is up today is because of this. We're going to Las Vegas tonight. We're going to be live there covering Jensen Huang, NVIDIA, and SOUNDHOUND. I say and SOUNDHOUND because SOUNDHOUND is pumping too on what NVIDIA is about to announce tonight. We've already made those predictions. We made those predictions 6 months ago ahead of the game, and that's what's happening tonight. The link for that event will be above my head at the end of this video, and it'll also be in the description as well. Yeah, above my head there, below in the description, and pinned to the comments. But to give you a head start, we are prepared for you all the charts for this event. SOUNDHOUND, NVIDIA, what you're going to expect, and it's running live right now on the Extra channel, 24 hours a day. Listen in, this is me live, sat here right now talking to you, but the audio you can hear, 150. Will NVIDIA, what you're listening to is a playlist of 4 videos. It's about a 2-hour amount of content going round and round and round 24 hours a day at the moment. So you can get all the charts, all the information from Sensei, myself, preparing for tonight. Recommend you watch that throughout the day and then join us for the event tonight. So there you go. That's my plan for the next 6 months. Do you agree with me? Leave me your thoughts in the comment. And also, if you've watched this far in the video, you will know this year we're giving more money away than ever. Regular $100 cash drops live in our show. If you're watching live and we suddenly spin the wheel, you have a 1 in 10 chance. It's available to everyone, members, non-members, of winning $100 live on the show. We could do it at any moment. We're going to do it more and more often to give back to our members. Well, in fact, give back to anyone. You don't need to be a member. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put the event for tonight that you cannot afford to miss. And here I shall put a video which I've just recorded, my strategy of investing, the psychology of investing, just down here. It's the video that's featured on my homepage at the moment. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, video number 1. Okay, another all-time high again. Setting all-time highs right now. Let me read the comments. Let me read the comments. Good morning, everyone. Already up 2.2% and not even open yet. Hi, Martyn. Green Money. How you doing? Stacy, she's okay. Did the test now and to schedule surgery. Did the scans Friday. Thanks for asking. Archer Aviation. I told you a week ago. We know all about aviation. Archer, we're covering it. We've got some extra content coming in shortly as well from another creator who wants to be on my show. Sending her love, my friend. There we go. Hi, Mike. Jace Flame just became a member. Jace Flame, here is the membership link. Here is now Discord. I will do onboarding and upgrading to Discord later on in the show. There's my X. There's my Instagram. I will now engage with you on my social media. Members only live streams. Members only chat. Welcome, Jace. Good morning, everybody. Stock Market Maestro. Thank you very much indeed. How you doing? Such a nice payday this morning. Morning, ladies. Sold my TQQQ and up Row, Holding VU, congratulations. Martyn, good morning. Excellent advice to members for the next 6 months. There is no reason to add to stock positions. Already in, everyone have a great day. Absolutely right. You are absolutely spot on there, Tim Rogers. Wow, what a great day for my portfolio, up 2%. Good morning, everyone. TJ Snyder. Okay, so next video. Okay. Okay, so best stock. What's the time? The time is 25 minutes. Okay. What is the best stock to buy now in 2025? Well, I'm not just saying it, I've done it. And I believe in it 100%. I've just done an in-depth video of I'm not buying any more stock this year and that we've only got 6 months left to go. And I've explained why I'm not doing that, where the market's going. I've given you my prediction. Wait to the end and I will point you to that video, or click above my head down below in the description. You'll find that. Also, later on in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win $100 cash live on my show. I'm going to be doing this regularly throughout 25. I've made so much money. We want to give it away and have some fun with you. So anyone can win $100 giveaways at any point, any time in the show when we spin the wheel, and it's a 1 in 10 chance of winning. We've not only made it a great opportunity for you to win money, members or non-members, we've also actually made it 1 in 10 chance of you winning. It's absolutely fantastic. Where else are you going to get free money? And we're going to pay it out live on the show as well. Very, very exciting. Now, as I did explain in my previous video, that we think that, well, we don't think, we know that the markets is now going to rally into the end, and that's it. It's going to get no more, not buying any more. So what's the best thing to buy now looking forward? Well, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, as Dan Penner would often say, is Coca-Cola. Now, Coca-Cola doesn't outperform the S&P. However, the S&P now has got maybe 10%, maybe 15% left to go, and that is it. So we want to be ahead of the game. So we're buying Coca-Cola. We've been buying Coca-Cola now for a while on my Roth IRA. Do not confuse this. This is not on my brokerage account. This is on my Roth IRA, and as you can see, it's 98.97%, basically 100%. I've got 558 shares, $34,000. And my plan is to hold this at least until March after the earnings, get a good dividend payout, which we know will be about $299 tax-free money, and then we'll get a good rally. This could outperform the S&P this year. I like it. It's my preferred stock to own for 2025. That's what I'm buying. And if you want to know exactly why I've moved away from the S&P now, in fact, I'm not moving away. I need to be clear here. I'm not selling any S&P at all. I'm just not buying any more until the bear market starts in the autumn. Not saying the markets are going to sell off. If you want full details and a full explanation of that video, then please go and check out the video. I'll give you the link at the end as well. So I'm not buying any more now. I'm now paying down my margin. And I've got $250,000 invested. There's my overall portfolio. There's my margin. You can see there over 110, which gives you, with my Roth IRA, gives you $250,000 now invested. Remember, I started with $5,000, no options, no shorting the stock, and earned nothing on YouTube for the first year and a half. So this has just been solid investing, buying great businesses. That's what I'm doing. I don't lose money. 19 trades, 19 wins. So my favorite stock for the year is Coca-Cola, 100%. I've been buying it. I'm holding it now. I'm fully in. I can't buy any more because my Roth IRA is maxed out. I can't add any more money, and I'm not buying it on my brokerage account for integrity of the show. I only own the S&P. Now, I did say if you watched later on in the video, I'd be telling you how you can win $100. Regularly now on our show, we're going to be giving away $100 live in the show and paying it out live in the show. Direct to your crypto wallet, we're going to send you XRP live on the show, $100. Whenever we spin the wheel, it's a 1 in 10 chance. The first 10 people watching the show to phone in. And that's it. So it's a really easy chance, really easy way to win money. It's open for everyone. It's free to enter. Members, non-members, we'll do it instantly. And we're going to be doing that regularly on our show now as a way just to give back to you because we've made so much money. We just want to give some to you. Why? Just because it's fun, right? So there you go. Now, also, what you need to be paying close attention to is this, and it's why the markets are up tonight. I'm going to give you this link here. This is an event for tonight. We are going to be live in Las Vegas. The biggest event of the year so far, could be the biggest event of the year in total, is the NVIDIA Day CES, also SoundHound. They're related to this company now, and I've explained why, and I'll give you more details in a moment. But this is the event tonight. It's pinned to the top in the live chat where you're watching right now. For you watching the video, I will give it you on the in the description. I'll also pin it to the top above my head, and I'll also pin it to the comments as well so you can find it. So tonight, live in Las Vegas, Jensen Huang gives the keynote speech, and it's a huge day for NVIDIA, a huge day for the markets, and that's why everything is rallying at the moment. All right? Anyway, I'm not buying it. I'm already in. I'm already done. I don't need to keep buying it. My all-time high just keeps going up and up and up, and this is absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. So there's the event. Now, you might say, well, I want to know about all the technical charts. I want to know about all the positions, where to buy, where to sell, what's going on, all the fundamentals. Well, we have put together a playlist running live right now on the Extra channel. This is me behind the scenes. There's the event. You can see Las Vegas tonight. That video, that image of me there sat at the desk is live. If I wave my hands in the air, you will see it's live. But it's playing 4 videos for you. Guy, good afternoon. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Bootlegger, good afternoon. These are what we recorded last night. These are our technical charts. See, if I'm waving, look, you can see that is me waving. It might have a sort of 10-second delay or so, but that is me sitting there talking to you live right. There you go. There you go. But you're listening to our playlist. And I'm talking to you and the chart. All right. So all the charts, all the technicals that you need for tonight on the Extra channel, I will give you that. I will give you that in the live show right now. I'll also pin it below so everyone here can get the information as well if you're watching the video now. So you're ready for CES tonight. So click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll also post it to the comments. Here is the CES event tonight. You can go and see there. The Extra channel will be down here. That's live right now. You can go and check that. And over here, I shall put my my fundamental strategy to investing, an educational video really for you to watch and get my complete outlook of how to invest and when to buy and when not to buy. Go and check that out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, the best stock of 25. And now we've got NVDA, and then SOUN. Okay, here we go. Look at the markets rally up and up and up and up. Do not buy. Do not buy. You're already in. Okay, so now let's go back to questions. Matt Dillon, just for a moment, I will open it up to general public to give everyone the chance to have their say again. Let me move over to subscribers. There we go. Now everyone can come back. Good morning, Mary. Another lady. We've got over 13% now of ladies watch our show, which is phenomenal. Crypto channels normally have about 1%. And we know it's the ladies that invest the most money. They invest the most on themselves with their own personal care. They also take care of the family. So a channel which features and focuses on ladies is very, very important. Most crypto channels with guys sat with their baseball caps on and backwards sunglasses in dark rooms in their mum's bedroom. It's not a place for ladies who wish to invest. And that's why they only have around 1% of their viewers are ladies. We have tried to focus on the ladies on this show, and we have 13%. Another lady just joined us, Mary Briflet. Welcome to you. Big day. Favorite stock is TPL. Yes, it is. Fantastic. Best business you can own. Martin, you're able to use an ISA in the UK as you are from there or not? As you are fully... No, I can have an ISA in the UK. I've got my home in the UK. I've got my passport, my national insurance number, my address, a bank account, you name it, everything I need, businesses, everything. I am fully English and fully American. I've got absolutely both twice. All right. Good morning, everyone. Fitness Guru, good morning to you. Thoughts on percentage gains for Coca-Cola in 2025? Could see it outperforming the S&P for this year. Hence why I'm buying it. I mean, it's kind of obvious, really, if you think about it. I wouldn't be saying buy it if I thought it was worse than the S&P, right? I'd just stay where I am. All right. I mean, kind of obvious, really. I think it's going to outperform, but also it's going to provide a hedge for my portfolio so it won't drop when the S&P starts going sideways. Take-Two Interactive may be high, but GTX is coming soon, worth a look. I don't know anything about that. Classic Carnut, morning. A lot of people, including myself, excite when the market is up. I get more excitement when I can buy the big dips. I agree. The green days are nice. I like the color of green, but I do nothing on these days. I go to work on the red days. Now we just enjoy the fruits of our labor. That's it, really. Okay. So now my next video, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is my next video. Okay. Let me bring this up. 35. Here we go. NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA. Big day today. Huge day today. Continue watching this video. Later on in the video, I'm going to tell you how we can give you, live in the show, $100 cash regularly with a 1 in chance to win. And you don't have to be a member. It's completely free to enter. I've just made so much money this year. I'm enjoying giving it away. So stay with me in this video and I'll explain how you can win $100 live on the show anytime and stand by for that information. But NVIDIA is up today. I said to you it would go $150. It's just about touched that already. Made that prediction a few days ago, and again, spot on. We also have this poll running for you right now. We call this the Lucas Archie. It's a very, very important indicator. We find this, think of the Fibonacci, we like to call this the Lucas Archie because it's only actionable by real investors, not scammers, bots, trolls, idiots that live in Reddit rooms in their mum's bedroom, those that trawl around stock twits. Real investors, real money, real people, my members of the show, here they are. We had 97 votes. Now I'll go and refresh this. This was just put out last night. It also ranks on Google, by the way, so people can find these polls. I beg your pardon, 179 votes. And this was since 17 hours ago. It was last night. 179 votes. And I said, will NVIDIA break 150 leading up to CES? 179 votes said 71%. Now, this is the real investors, those that follow my show, not idiots or stuff like that. 71%, yes, it is. And in fact, it's just about touched it already. So no surprise there. We were right again. What can I say? The good reason for that, we just studied the numbers, the balance sheets, and we're not interested in all the noise and nonsense. However, I do listen to it because it presents me with lots of insight of how people are trying to manipulate the market, which then shows me where the market is actually going when they lose their money. All right, so there you go. There is that. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because we've got a big event tonight which you cannot afford to miss. This is the event. We are going to be there live. Tonight, live in Las Vegas, CES, NVIDIA, Jensen Huang is giving a speech, and we need to be there. It also affects SOUNDHOUND as well. That's in another video. But you want to know how to trade this into the evening, right? You want to know what to do, not just, well, I'll listen in. What do I do with my own money? Well, we can't give financial advice, but what we can do is this. We have put together a stream running at the moment on my extra channel with charts from Sensei for NVIDIA and SoundHound, the buy zone, sell zone, support levels, and all the rest of it, as well as the live charts on the screen and heat maps and so on. This is me live in the studio. If I wave now, you'll see me in a couple of seconds. It will show you. It's just there's always a little bit of a delay, but that's me live sitting here right now. I wonder what one of it's going to show you. There's always a bit of a delay. Go on, move my hands in the air. Anyway, what you're actually listening to, is not going to do it, is it? It's like 30 seconds delay. There's my hands. There we go. That's me live right now. But what you're listening to is something very different. Warmed up and started. So now what I'm going to give you, what you're listening to there is live charts from Sensei. We've got SoundHound chart, and we've also got the NVIDIA chart, and what you're likely to expect tonight in CES. So I'm going to give everyone the link to my extra channel. If you're watching this video later, I will pin it in the comments, link it in the description. You need to go and check out my extra. It's running 24 hours a day, running all day. There's 4 videos going round and round, so it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours of content for you to prepare for tonight. You might want to be in there to know what's going on. But NVIDIA, we like this. It's going through 150, on its way to $200. We believe that. However, I am not buying any more, and I've explained why I'm not buying any more of the S&P. It's been a phenomenal run for me. I've beaten all-time highs. I've gone from $5,000 to now $250,000 invested without, if you include my margin, without shorting stocks, without doing options. But that's it. I don't need to buy any more stock now. Why? I explain it fully in a video I'll give you a link for now. There's only 6 months left, and we want to be a nice 15% buffer before the market start trimming back as we enter the bear market, which we will. If you want a full explanation of that, I'll link the video to the end. So I'm not buying this into the last few moments of the rally. I am done. All I need to do now is let you all buy and pump up my bags, and then what you're doing then is giving me new support levels at 15% higher. So when it does trim back, I'm still up. I don't have to sell and have a tax event. There you go. And I'll explain all of that in the video. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll post all the links of the extra channel, all the charts that we're doing over there. Also the event for tonight, plus the video I've just explained about my strategy for 2025. Over here, I shall put the CES event, and down here, my strategy of investing and how I've beaten the market consistently. 19 trades, 19 wins. I'm always looking ahead, and I'm not chasing the market. And I've just told you again that I'm now done. I'm now preparing for the bear market, which will come at the end of this year into the autumn. That's it from me until next time. Oh, I did say, didn't I? If you watch later in the video, you can win $100. So what we're doing this year, because we've made so much money, we want to give it away. So from time to time, regularly in fact, on shows live just like this, I will announce Spin the Wheel. When I announce Spin the Wheel, the first 10 people to call in, you don't have to be a member, you don't have to pay, it's completely free. 1 in 10 chance. Just whoever's sat watching the show, and the bots, the scammers and trolls won't realize it's coming. So real viewers, real people watching my show will just call in. It's completely free on a browser. I'll give you the link in the show, and we will spin the wheel. So 1 in 10, there's 10 spots on the screen, 1 in 10 chance. We're going to pay you out live on the show right there in real time, $100, and we'll pay it out through XRP directly into your wallet. So you have to have an XRP wallet, which anyone, of course, can, and we'll pay you the money immediately. And the moment I announce Spin the Wheel, we'll do that. So that's how you can win. We could do that any moment at all. We're going to do it regularly this year. It's a lot of fun, so stand by for that. All right, that's how you can win $100 just by simply watching our show. And at any moment, we give away money with a 1 in 10 chance of winning. I mean, seriously, how much better does it get? All right, click above my head for all the links down below here, over here, and over here, the events I've already told you about. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. SoundHound 43. 43. Let's go to SoundHound, SOUN. 15 minutes before the bell goes. SoundHound, here we go. All right. SoundHound, breaking news for you here. SoundHound, you're going to like this. Stick with me on this video, and I'm also going to tell you how you can win just by watching our video. $100 in cash paid out live on the show. 1 in 10 chance of winning. It's for real viewers, real members. Sorry, not members. It's open to everyone. It's completely free, but the bots and the scammers and the trolls will miss it every time. It's a perfect way for you to win money. We've made so much money this year. We want to give it back. Live on the show regularly. Stick with me, and later in this video I'll explain how you can win $100. Now then, SoundHound is up. Why is it up? Well, it's up because of CES tonight. We're going to cover that live. We're going to Las Vegas live tonight. This is the event. You cannot afford to miss it. All right, here it is. This is the event. The link for this event is below in the description, comments, and I'll give you the link above my head in a moment. It's Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, talking, but actually it will really be all about SoundHound as well. So I'll explain in a moment. Now, also, we're running a poll, which is what we call the Lucas Archie. It's on our community pages, on the homepage of our YouTube channel. We found a really, really accurate way to measure sentiment of where a stock is going, and it proves extremely reliable, way over 95%. The question I asked you was, will SoundHound break $30 leading into CES? 252 votes. This is only accessible and only votable by real investors, no bots, no scammers, no trolls, those that live in Reddit rooms in their mum's bedroom and stock twits. They don't notice this stuff. They don't see this stuff. They're just too busy trying to talk rubbish. As you can see, 54% of you have said yes, it will, and go to $30 during CES. Well, let's see. It's already risen now to $21. It's on the way up. So we'll see how that goes. Now, of course, you want to be prepared tonight, knowing when to trade, how to buy, when to buy, and so on and so forth. So I've got Sensei to do charts on SoundHound and NVIDIA and tell you what we're likely to expect from CES live in Las Vegas tonight. So what I've done is I put together this here. This is me sitting here live. If I wave my hands in the air, you will see this is me live sitting here right now in the studio behind the scenes, called the Extra Channel. But you'll see on the screen, we've got all these live indicators. There's like a 30-second delay, so it'll do it in a second. Anyway, what you'll see here is we're playing a live stream. We're playing some videos that we've put. There you go. There's my hands waving. Look, about 30 seconds of a all good to go. I've given you X and Instagram if you want. Seeking Alpha and Alpha. We're doing all the technical charts for NVIDIA and SoundHound. This is going to run all day. It runs 24 hours a day. It's a place for our investors to talk together, predict what's happening tonight for NVIDIA and SoundHound, have a conversation. It runs 24 hours a day, and we've just put together a playlist of 4 videos. It's about 2 hours of content, which goes round and round and round, so you can hear all the technical charts from Sensei, and you can be prepared for tonight's event. Now, SoundHound also comes with a bit of extra news that I want to bring to you this morning. Let me bring it up right now. Here it is. This is the news I want to share with you. SoundHound news. AI is the big focus at the Consumer Electronics Show 2025. Now, we know the partnership and the deal with NVIDIA. We know that tonight NVIDIA is getting the attention, but however, it's also drawing with it our favorite stocks as well, SoundHound included. This is the event tonight, the world's biggest annual tech expo, the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, is kicking off in Las Vegas with more than 150,000 people in attendance. We're expecting 100,000, by the way, to join us live for this event, the biggest audience in the world, we believe. NVIDIA, the CEO, is speaking first. We're going to cover that live. And if you scroll down here, let's see, SoundHound is mentioned. There it is. Companies with a presence at the show. This is important. SoundHound is at the show. There, if I click on it, it's a bit difficult to do it the way it's laid out here. But anyway, there you go. Companies, I think you can just see my little mouse just going, look, there it is, just there. SoundHound, really, really important. That's why we keep talking about SoundHound tonight when it comes to the CES, even though Jensen is the keynote speaker tonight. So, join us tonight. I did say if you watch later in this video, I'll tell you how you can win $100. What we're doing now, regularly on our show, at any moment, I'm going to spin the wheel. When I say spin the wheel, it's the first 10 people to phone in. The first 10 people to phone in, so it's a 1 in 10 chance. It's completely free to phone in. You just use a browser, live on the show, no technology required. I take care of all of it. You don't need to be a member. Anyone can phone in from anywhere in the world. I will spin the wheel, and whoever's in my chat, when I spin the wheel, I will give away $100 and it will randomly pick one of you, 1 in 10 chance, and we'll pay you live out in the show. All we ask from you is your XRP wallet so we can send you the money, and that is it. Live in the show. We're going to do that regularly in 2025. How exciting is that? So I told you it was worth watching to the end, right? Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I shall put the event for tonight, also the extra channel link so you can go and check out all the information with Sensei and all the technical charts so you're prepared for tonight. And also I will link to a video I've just recorded about I'm not buying any more stock this year. I'm fully in. I don't need to buy anything else. I'm done because the bear market is just around the corner and we want everyone now, and they will. They'll keep buying because it's what lemmings and people do. They get excited. They'll keep buying and pumping up my positions. So I'm 15% up. Then when it pulls back 10%, I'm still up 5% from where I am today, and I'm in a good position. Then I can start buying again. I'm not buying now. I'm fully in. I'm always 6 to 12 months ahead of the game. That's what investors do, right? Above my head for all the links down below in the description, also pinned to the comments. Over here, I shall put the event for CES tonight. And down here, I shall put my psychology of investing. I've just recorded a new video which tells you my strategy of how I've beaten the market. I'm always ahead of the market. 19 trades, 19 wins, and my process for investing. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Alrighty then, okay. We've got 9 minutes to go. Let me bring it back to general public again now. I think we're in members only. Oh, we are in general public. All right. So what we'll do now is I'll go members only mode then. That way, everyone who's got a comment, a question that's been missed out, I will do it for you. So we've got 8 minutes to go. So we'll do a bit of onboarding. So if you are a member of the channel, now I will onboard you, accept your friend request, give you that free training. We provide you the scalp trading, also access to Sensei, the crypto charts, 24 hours a day. So if you'd like that, now is your chance. I'm going to onboard all of you that require onboarding. So what does that mean? If you want to become a member of our channel, 98% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel in the world. Go and check it out on TubeBuddy. You'll see it. There it is. There is the link to become a member. If you are on an iOS device, you'll need a browser and then select desktop version of the browser. It gets, it's because Apple tried to take commission out of YouTube. That's why it does that. All right, that's that. When you've done that, there's the Discord sign up. And if you've already signed up, it takes 10 minutes to sign up. If you do sign up, please do not accept a friend request from anyone called Martyn Lucas. I never message you. I never sell you anything. I never send you a friend request at all. So please do not accept it. I only accept friend requests from you if you are a member of the channel. Now, if you have set it all up, you can, of course, be a premium customer and you can just pay for the service for a couple of bucks a month. It's still virtually free. But anyway, then you get an even higher level because you are prioritized, because you are a premium customer. However, if you want the free version that I give to you by being a YouTube member, I will upgrade you live on the show right now. So if anyone needs upgrading, so if you've already signed up and you can't see anything, or perhaps you've not had your friend request accepted. The reason why I would not accepted it because you're not a member. Until I've upgraded you on the screen, you don't have access anyway. I'm now doing it. You've got 6 minutes before we ring the bell. We're going to go over to Wall Street in a few moments. This is our live link up to Wall Street. In fact, that's just stopped. Let me refresh that. Let me refresh that screen a moment. Okay. Let me refresh this screen. Needs to be updated. There's Jim Cramer.
Tended to try to temper my view that he is abrasive, knowing that he is in some ways trying to be a street kid from Philadelphia. Not unlike Bernthal, who tries to be a street kid from Baltimore, who's really from an upper-class group in Washington.
Okay, so there we go. We'll go over to Wall Street when we ring the bell in 5 minutes. Let me see if anyone needs upgrading. So here we go. Frank, Can I be added to Discord? Yes, you need to give me your username. You have? Right, here we go. Let me have a little look. You are a member. I can now upgrade you. Let me go to Discord. You've got 5 minutes. I'll share with you what I'm doing on the screen. Let me do it in here. Let me search for you. There you are. And you are known as Frank. So, and there you are as a member. So I shall now give you role of YouTube member. If you've sent me a friend request, you have. Great. I shall accept it. Thank you very much. I shall now give you a nickname as well. So you can now access everything you need. You are known as Frank on YouTube. So you are Frank here on Discord. All right, you can now see all of our channels. You can be a researcher for the show. We can cover your favorite stocks. You can get the training from Ed Nevius for scalp trading. There he is there. Sensei crypto tips. You can get all the Sensei charts and talk to Sensei 24 hours a day. Fantastic. Please do not join Discord if you are not a YouTube member. There's no point. We won't. You can't upgrade you. Matt did a nice move. I'm also working on, let's have a look here. I think, okay. Hello, Martyn Safa. How you doing? How's your day? Very well indeed. We've got nobody else. I'm going to give it another minute. We've got people now joining as members. There's no point if you are not a YouTube member. I can see people joining in. Please do not use my name as well. We just ban you straight away. Plus, you receive, if you start using my display name and logo, you will receive legal action as well. People try to do that all the time. Chera. I've got someone called Chera coming in now. I don't know who that is. Let me go and check, see if you're one of our members. Please do not send me friend requests if you're not a member. There is no point. Chera, I see you have sent me a friend request. I think I know who that is, but I don't know if you are a member yet, Chera. So I cannot accept that yet. You are a premium customer, but I don't know if you are a member on YouTube. So I need you to come into YouTube before I accept friend requests. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll message you because you are a premium customer. Join me live. Whoops. Live now on YouTube. I need to confirm you are a YouTube member. Okay, I'll give you the link. Even though you're a premium customer, I can't accept friend requests. I only do that from YouTube members. We've got 2 minutes to go, so we're running out of time. Onboarding is just about to end. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else in the chat? Let's have a look. I am not upset enough by the surprise passing of 100-year-old Jimmy Carter to have the markets close earlier on January. What do you mean I'm not upset enough by the surprise passing? Oh, I see. Yeah, well, not going to comment on that. That's out of our control. We can't do nothing about it. But yeah, the markets are closed on Thursdays. A lot of people have an opinion on that. I agree, but I'm not going to comment on that. Okay, so we got 1 minute to go. If Cherry comes into the chat, I just don't know who you are, of course, until you come into the chat. 1 minute to go. Here we go. Expect a big day. Okay, here we go. Let's go over now. James, good morning to you. We got 30 seconds or 40 seconds to go. Let me go back to general public once again so everyone can comment. I needed to confirm whether Cherry is here or not. There we go. Everyone can comment now. Here we go. Right, we're about to go live to Wall Street.
Earlier thought that if rates went down, housing prices would go down. That's just
ring the bell.
What the ethos of this particular cycle. What this cycle says is as you take rates up, the buyers drop back and the sellers panic because there is additional supply being offered, a la what we see in Florida. I wish they would be a little more oriented toward the facts and less oriented toward the media.
Starting to sound like Goolsby here, something he's been saying for a while.
Bell has gone and we are up and we are holding. Expect a lot of volatility today. It's a huge day today on the markets. My Coca-Cola is now dipping again. It will do that until the markets have stopped buying the tech. Once that stops, Coca-Cola will explode and it'll outperform the S&P. That's why I'm doing it. All right, there you go. We can also check our heat map. There's our heat map, as you can see what's going on. Let's go and see what's up and what's not for this morning. Here we go.
Technology company celebrating its merger at the NASDAQ and Headspace, a mental health.
Big day today, of course. It's a huge day. Let's go over all our positions. Here we go. Overall portfolio is up again. All-time highs broken yet again. The S&P is up. S&P Global is just trailing down at the moment. It was up, just trading down a little bit. Virgin Galactic up 1.6. Palantir, way too expensive, it's gone down 2%. Gold is down today, 0.44. Amazon is up today, 1%, 1.05. Apple is up today and now firing up 0.79. Here it goes, gaining some speed. Nexteer Energy just down slightly. Enphase, wow, did you get a good deal at $65 with this stock? We told everyone that was time to buy it. Coca-Cola is selling off. Why is it selling off? Because people taking profits to buy the tech stock at the moment, but when that finishes its run, which it will, get ready for this one. So I want to be in this stock. I don't want to be chasing it down, chasing it up when it takes off. I want to be in, and I'm already in with Coca-Cola. J&J, another great stock, a $200 stock. That's also, defenses are being sold off. Everyone's getting extremely greedy right now. If we can look at the heat index, you can see how it's moved. It was extreme fear on the last trading day. It went now into fear. Won't take long before it goes into neutral and then moves into greed. Don't be surprised if that happens throughout today's show. Wouldn't be surprised at all. Up she goes again. Let's carry on. Chevron Oil is up today. We've got a great oil story, an oil guest, another star guest on our show coming up in a few days' time. You're going to love this one. We've got an oil expert. I'm not going to tell you anything about it, but we've got an oil celebrity live on our show very, very soon. Tesla is up 3.56. Very nice indeed. Elon Musk getting involved now in British politics. Got so many enemies now. Elon Musk has become like a super villain. Anyway, I just can't buy Tesla individually. Well, I wouldn't anyway. Rivian down 1.4. McDonald's is going down 0.5. Google up today. Very nice indeed. Sold off during the midnight hours, didn't it? And now it's starting to rally now. Microsoft going up. NVIDIA going up. There's our target. We said $150. And are we going to do it live on the show? I said we would do it $150. Come on. 149, 149.11. We said $150 live on the show. I said it over and over again. It would go $150 a day. We did it on our prediction. Look at this. Let me go here. NVIDIA. Let me do it. Right, let me go over here. Let's see if this is going to run. Let's watch it closely. NVIDIA, you can see it right now. The bell has just gone. We made the prediction that this was $150 a day leading into CES. We are very, very accurate with our Lucas Archie indicator. I'm going to share it on the screen. We're just about to hit it. If I share with you this here, this is called the Lucas Archie indicator. 179 votes. It ranks on Google, only accessible by real investors, real money investors, not bots, not trolls, not people that sit in Reddit rooms, not people that mess around in stock twits, shorting stocks, real investors. 179 of you said, yes, you're right, 71%. It would go to $150 leading into CES. Well, you're watching it live on the screen right now, 149.23. I'm going to stick with it just for a moment. Let's see how it goes. We're at another all-time high. There's my portfolio, 137. Boom, there it is, another all-time high. NVIDIA, are we going to hit 150,000 live right at this moment? Go on, it would make brilliant video if it does. Let's stick with it. CES, of course, tonight. We're going to cover it live. You cannot afford to miss it. This is the event we're going to cover live tonight. There is the event. We're going to be live in Las Vegas with Jensen Huang covering this event. And if you want to know all the buy zone, sell zone support levels, you want to be ready for this moment. You want to make sure that you are watching the extra channel today. This is it live right now throughout the day. I am live here behind the scenes, but what you can hear here for it, it's going to be busy. We will ask what you can hear here is the technical charts done by Sensei throughout the day. So you could got the buy zone, sell zone support levels. There's a 2-hour stream. There are 4 videos looping round and round 24 hours a day, getting you ready for the event tonight. So you can chat with amongst each other, and you can be made aware of what's going on and be prepared. So I'm not going to stay with this. It was only meant to be a little brief moment to see if we could catch it live, but I've got no doubt about it. It's going to get hit $150. More likely to trim off once it does, but even so, ultimately, we like to own this and not trade it. I own it through the S&P, of course. That's the best way for me to own it and for integrity of the show and not to be pumping and dumping stock. But it's a $200 stock. The news tonight was going to be fantastic. All AI tonight is doing well. We've seen SoundHound doing really well. No surprise at all. And don't be surprised if this passes $150 any moment. I would have liked to have stayed with it, but I can't. So anyway, smash the like button if you like this. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Above my head, I'll give you the link for CES tonight. Down below in the description, also the extra channel, so you can get the information that you want for the event tonight. There it goes. You can see it now. Look, really, really great. There's the event over here, CES tonight, and down here, the psychology of investing, getting ready for next year. I'm not buying anything now. I'm letting everyone buy my bags, pump me up. I haven't got to do anything at all. I'm just staying right where I am. The moment I end this video, you know it's going to go there. What the hell? I don't need to watch it. That's the point of being an investor. I can go to sleep now and let it all work. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, what time was that? We'll put that in as another video later today. The time for that one was 1 hour 5. NVDA 150 and 1.05. Right, okay. Are we back in general public mode now? I believe we are. Customization, subscribers, yes. Let's have a look at SoundHound as well. We are covering both of these stocks today. SOUN. Yep, there it goes. SoundHound today exploding. I'll do that. I've got to cover this as well. Oh my gosh. Sound 230. No. $30, not 40, bloody hell. SoundHound all the way to $30. We believe that. And then we expect $40. You want to know why? Well, if you watch this video just quickly, I'm going to tell you how you can win $100 in cash as well. We give away money all the time live on the show. Here is our Lucas Archie. Here's our Lucas Archie video. Lucas Archie indicator. This is more reliable than anything else. Think of the Fibonacci. 252 votes. It's not votable and actionable by bots, scammers, trolls, people that live in Reddit rooms, stock twits, shorters, just real investors, real money people who are members of my channel. And as you can see, 252 votes. Yes, it will go to $30 leading into CES. 54% of you have voted. This proves extremely accurate. This is the event tonight. We've been talking about it. Jensen Huang is covering the event tonight, is doing the big event tonight in Vegas. We're going to be there. These are all the charts running on the extra channel, excuse me, live 24 hours a day, live right now. You can listen to all the technical charts. This is it happening right now. So first of all, we're looking at SoundHound. There you go. That's running 12 hours a day to provide you all the technical information that you need for the event. I'm live there behind the scenes. You can see it right there. And you want to tune in and be prepared for tonight's event. Going back to SoundHound, no surprise whatsoever. It's going up. We bought this. We bought this when it was like 80, 90 cents. One of our biggest discoveries on the show. Remember, we're not trying to pump and dump stock. I only own the S&P. What my job is to do is interview CEOs, bring them onto the show. We've had many CEOs on the show and many more to come. They contact me. I don't go to them. They call me. And we'd love to have the CEO of SoundHound and Jensen on it from NVIDIA as well. We want to identify stock before they explode. Our members bought this at 80, 90 cents. That's when we talked about it, when we said it would go straight to $10, then 20, now 30, and then 40. We said this. We're not buying this now. I only own the S&P. Anyway, there it is. Will it get to $30 by today? Well, if you want Sensei's chart to give you the precise numbers, then join the extra channel throughout the day. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I shall post everything you need with the CES. And by the way, how you win $100? Just watch our show live. At any moment during any live show, I announce spin the wheel. It's a 1 in 10 chance of winning. It's that good. We've made it really easy for non-members and members to win. When I announce spin the wheel, you simply call in live on the show. The spin the wheel randomly picks 1 out of the 10, and we pay you live on the show out of my own money, real money. I give you $100 of XRP live on the show. So all you need is an XRP wallet and be able to phone into the show, which is just a browser, which is what you're watching me on right now. Pretty good, right? That's how you win. Did you tap the like button? You got to like that, right? I've made so much money, I'm just giving it away. And click subscribe and ring the bell. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put tonight's event, CES, you can't afford to miss it. Down here, the psychology of investing, a video I've just made about what I'm doing with the market. And go and check that out on the extra channel as well. Be prepared for tonight's event. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, here we go. Overall market, flipping heck, nearly $2,000 today. My year to date now, 3 days of trading, I have made $3,685, 3.74. Absolutely fantastic. So we're nearly our targets for the year. All we've got to do now is nothing. All right, nothing at all. This is absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. This really is quite an incredible year. 137.3, another all-time high. Another all-time high again. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Absolutely fantastic. All right, now then, let's go back to your comments and questions. Are we in members-only mode at the moment? Let's go to members again so we can answer all your questions. Sensei's probably going to call in today and be part of our show. My NVIDIA up for 7,000 open. Wow, love it. NVIDIA breaking 150. Oh, hang on. Has it happened? NVIDIA. There it is. Getting close now. Hi, Stacey Bootlegger. Good morning, NVIDIA. Let's go, Mike. I agree. Martyn show before he hit 35 was 95% stock talk and 5% chatting around. Now it's 80% shoving member promos, adding Discord. Now the wheel, 15% stock. Right. Well, Mike Ide, you're basically a bloody idiot because I'm going to get rid of you. In fact, people have already banned you from the channel. Yeah, you're just basically a bloody idiot. You don't want to win free money. You don't want to be part of it. That's fine. Bugger off then. Let me just get rid of you. Hide user from the channel. Mike Ide is now gone. All right. So Mike, you're done. You can never be on the show again. What a bloody idiot. Morning, Stephen. Wow, last twin wheel sound flying to sightless. There we go. Good morning, Ed. Good morning. Sound is up. AMD is up. I heard that Martin only buys the S&P 500. Is there any truth to that? Matt Dillon. What do you mean is any truth to that? You're one of our members. You know I only own the S&P. Look, there's the S&P 500. There is my portfolio. If I scroll down to VU, look. 99.87. Why are you asking me that? You know that. I do it live on the show every single day. 99.86%. I've got $250,000 in total invested. 213,000 just in my brokerage account, plus my Roth IRA. I've got $250,000 invested. I'm 100% in the S&P on my main account, on my brokerage account. Musk is the villain of the woke. I'm not really sure what that means. I can't really comment on that. G1, the Hound, I agree. Since he got more subscribers, he has changed what he's talking about. Most of it's trying to peddle some bullshit. Okay, let's get rid of you as well. We've got lots of trolls in today who want to talk stupid. Well, that's fine. You don't want to win free money. You don't want to be on a winning channel. Then see you later. We don't care. We don't need your subscription. We don't need you to be a member. We don't need anything from you. So just go away. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Stephen. Good morning to you. Have you spoken about versus AI? I have no idea what that is. Is there a Fed cut Wednesday? No, that's not until the end of January. I'm beating the S&P with 15% up on my brokerage account. Fantastic. Yes, Kazansky says, bugger off. Yeah, absolutely. We're not here to sell videos. We're not here to get subscribers. I don't care whether you watch, whether you don't. I'm being honest. If you don't like it, and the fact is you don't like it because I keep winning and we keep making money and we keep hitting all-time highs. I mean, yeah, if you're a troll and you've got nothing and you are short in the market and you've got nothing, then of course you're not going to be happy with me. Keep making money. Our members keep making money. I wouldn't either. I'd be really frustrated. But then you choose to be an idiot, so that's your choice. Right, okay, 8:45. I'm gonna end the stream in a minute because I want to get these videos out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to be live all day. Going to be coming back live all day throughout the day. It's a big day today, and I've got a review to do as well. I've got something to show you here as well. If you go to martynlucas.com/shop. All right, we've got this to share with you. Sensei's asked me to mention this. Here is our shop. I think we've sold out of one of the mugs, and there is our next one. martynlucas.com/shop. You click on shop. There it is. We've sold out of the magic mug for the reviews. That's been sold out, and we've got 5 left of this mug here. Just 5 left. Absolutely awesome stuff. Only 5 left. If you'd like one of those, get yourself one of those. We've got, they'll never be available again. Or look at this. Oh my God. $2,000 year to date, $3,806. My flipping heck. We're not just exploding. This is absolutely bonkers. Portfolio now 137.6. 130. Someone subscribed right at the moment. I couldn't even see it, whatever it was. NVIDIA 149.65, 149.71. Just about to go there. Martin, you're not selling anything but education. Keep up the amazing work. Whack a troll. Shall we do it? Shall we do it? I think we should. It's time to whack a troll. Boom! If you're coming in talking rubbish and you're talking absolute nonsense, we get rid of you. We're not interested. We call it whack a troll. You want to come in here and make up nonsense, we are more than happy to whack a troll and ban you from the channel. We don't want your viewership. We don't want your subscription. We don't need your money. We're only here for real investors. I know that it is your MO to buy the S&P. Yes, it is indeed. To add to step away and didn't know if you were either plug or around 8. I had to step away and didn't know if you saw earlier. Plug up around 8%. Fantastic. Wow. Just out the banjo. Woo, woo. Love it. Absolutely great. Here we go. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Is it going to go to NVIDIA about to hit our target of $150? We said it would. The Lucas Archie indicator said it would in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on the dot. Go on. $150 on the way to 200. No doubt about it. We said it would go up to 150 today during the rise. And go on. Absolutely great. Go on. 1 cent. Are you having a laugh? Are you trying to annoy me? Right. Come on. $150. Come on. I want to ring the cheers. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Are you having a laugh? There it is. Absolutely fantastic. We said it would go to $150.
The year is 1991. Birds
Smashing today, $150. Let's pump out.
Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Oh yes, $150 all the way to $200. Now be very careful. Do not be buying this stock now. We are already in our portfolio. Has exploded today, up 2,137, 2% year to date. I've made 3,859. We've got an all-time high, 137,474, new all-time high. Coca-Cola will be going down today because there you go, because people are taking their profits out of Coca-Cola and buying the tech. That's what's happening today. But we loving it. So let's go over to NVIDIA once again. NVDA. It's all about tonight's event. There you go. It trims straight as away as it hit $150. This was the Lucas Archie. We said it would go to $150. If you scroll down here, SoundHound. There's NVIDIA. Will NVIDIA break 150, leading to CES? 179 votes. Let me refresh it. Let's see if it's gone higher. Boom. 183 votes. Yes, 72%. Well, we were right. It did because of this. We're going to cover it live tonight, the CES event. You cannot afford to miss it. We're going to be live in Las Vegas. Join us for that one tonight. Very, very exciting stuff. If you want behind the scenes today, we're live all day behind the scenes, doing the technical chart for Sensei's doing charts today for NVIDIA and SoundHound. There we are behind the screen getting ready for the event. The event is up there in the top left-hand corner, and we're watching it explode right now. Awesome. There we go. NVIDIA did exactly what we said it was going to do, and now it trimmed off. Spot on. Do not buy it. Investors have already bought this. We're not trading it, and we are in. Congratulations to everybody who made some money. All you got to do now is hold. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description. Over here is the event tonight, live in Las Vegas. We're going to be there, right there. And down here, something else I think you'll find useful. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Woo! We love it, loving it. And we're loving it like this. Here we go. Love it. Okay, fantastic. That's it from me. Thanks for tuning in. Above here, down here, over here. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right.
Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn.
Fundamentals spot on, technicals spot on. Yes, absolutely right. And all the trolls, you can stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Woohoo! Hey, love to see your target hit live. Absolutely great. I am here. I'm over 50,000 year to date. Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm loving it. NVIDIA just bust a move. Looked like a mic guy was applying to Parsifal, which is a member. Looked like Mike guy was applying to I'm not sure that is. I'm not sure what's going on there. Who let the dogs out? $100,000 Bitcoin. Let's have a look at it going up again. Oh, look at Bitcoin today moving again. Yes, Bitcoin has just gone up 1.36. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Let's scroll down to some more comments. Got to do that if sound goes to 30. Word Ryan, one to look at sometime might be Oklo. I have done well with them. Thank you, David Trott. Unfortunately, we can't look at any more just now. Okay, now then, what I've got to do, folks, I've got to do a review today, a mug review for VOR Biopharma. One of you bought the magic mug. We've got to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the stream right now and put out these videos that we just did a few moments ago. So NVDA hit 150. I'm going to put these videos out. They will premiere out. I will then come back. We're going to be live all day today because it's a big event, and I'm going to cover more of this. Plus, I'm going to cover Biopharma when I come back and make a video for one of you that bought the magic mug. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to put you back in general public mode again. Make sure everyone can talk, ask questions. There you go. We're in general public mode. I'm now going to make sure that everyone can go through to the live event. We're playing Sensei's technical chart for NVIDIA and SoundHound right now, and also preparing for tonight. So tune in there. I will be live with you. You'll see me on the screen, and then I'll be able to pause it, talk to you live, and tell you when I'm coming back. And as you're watching, you can stay chatting together, and you'll be able to what's the word I'm looking for? You'll be able to talk to each other and get ready for tonight. So anyway, there you go. So let me just do that now. Let me give everyone the extra channel. Okay, here we go. If you join me in here, you can hear all the technicals, all the levels you need, all the support levels for tonight. Look at this. Have you ever seen a day like this? Have you ever seen a day like this? It's absolutely unbelievable. Absolutely incredible. Okay, here we go. So extra live now. We've just been covering SoundHound. There it is. There is extra live right now. Okay, I'll give it to you again. Click on that link or wait and it will automatically take you there. This is absolutely bonkers. 137,000, nearly 138. I told you my target was 150. It's only going to be a week or so and we'll be there. So I'm just a week or so, 2 weeks behind when I said we'd do it. I said we'd do it by the end of the year. Didn't quite get there, but doesn't matter. Now I've got a lot more. It's going to go there a lot quicker. Anyway, all right. Very, very good. Right. So what I'm going to do now is end the stream. Send everyone now into the extra channel. Please do join me there. I'm going to be able to talk to you live. You're going to hear Sensei doing technical charts for SoundHound, Sensei doing technical charts for NVIDIA, also preparing for tonight's event as well, SCS. When I need to talk to you, I will mute the playlist and talk to you live. You'll see me sat in the studio. So this is where I am now, so I can edit these videos and put them out for you. All right, there's the main show for tonight. You got all the charts on the screen, so you can follow everything that's going on with XRP as well, and NVIDIA and everything else, all right? And then when I've got the links to bring you back, I'll put it in the extra channel and bring you all back. You all want to stay connected today, and it's really important. Now, remember, this channel is viewable and listenable by everybody. However, if you want to chat, because it's a members, it's for real investors, and it runs 24 hours a day, it's 99 cents to be a member. We can't make it any cheaper. That's the lowest that YouTube would allow me. And the purpose of that is it keeps out the bots, the trolls, the scammers, which is really funny because all the bots and trolls and scammers tell me how great they are, but none of them can afford 99 cents because they haven't got any money, right? So I think that's quite funny. I like that. Anyway, it stops them all talking and ruining the show. So that's where we're going to go right now. I'm going to clear the decks. I'm going to get on and put these 7 videos out now. I'll be back talking to you live in the extra channel. Join me there. Very exciting. And then, of course, tonight we're going to be back live in maybe an hour or two. Then we got the closing bell. We're going to be here all day, folks. And then we've got CES live tonight from Las Vegas. So we're going nowhere. We're going to be here all the way through the day, all the way through the evening. It's going to be our longest ever day in the studio because this is into the evening. way later than a normal earnings. I had to be extra nice to Leah yesterday to get permission to do this. I ended up running around, vacuuming the house, making the bed, doing all sorts of stuff extra, doing the washing up stuff. I mean, you name it, I got busy yesterday. So anyway, that's how I'm able to bring you this event tonight. If I hadn't done that, my wife would have gone, oi, what time do you call that? You're not going live that time of the night. Anyway, all right? So anyway, everyone now join me in the extra channel. We're going to end the show. Join me over there. I'll be in contact with you, and I'll be back as quickly as I can. What an amazing day today. You cannot afford to miss it. Join me now on Extra. Ta-ra for now. Take care of yourselves. And am I going to talk about plug power? Yes. But I have to focus on the members. Unfortunately, one-on-one and the break, I think it is. You're not a member of the channel. I have to focus on what the members want, as 98% of our live viewers are members, and they all want SoundHound and NVIDIA and CES right now. But plug is also a big one for us. We will cover it, but I have to focus on what the members want right now. All right, okay, that's it. All right, I'll see you all back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.